Today we're going to look at some examples of indices and surds. Okay, in class we have learned the law of indices and we'll apply this to this equation. We want to solve 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 plus 3 to the power of x plus 2 equals to 3 and 1/3. Notice there's an addition sign here. Alright, so we cannot just multiply them together. So at the first glance, we cannot apply any laws of indices on the outset. However, let's try to rewrite this equation into something else. Okay, notice for the first two, on the left hand side, first two terms, we can rewrite them as 2x times 3 plus 3x times 3 squared. Okay, on the right, we can rewrite as 10 over 3. Okay, let's multiply 3 on both sides. And also note that the first term 3 to the power of 2x can be written as 3x squared times 3 squared plus 3x times 3 cubed equals to 10. Right, I multiply both sides by 3. So it is evident now that we have 3 to the power of x for the first two terms on the left hand side. So let's do a substitution. Okay, let y equals to 3 to the power of x. Okay, and then we end up with 9y squared plus 27y minus 10 equals to 0. In other words, we have a quadratic equation in terms of y. So let's try to solve this quadratic equation. So notice that the cross method would work here. Okay, we break this into 3y and 3y, 10 and 1. So I get 30y and 3y. Okay, so we get 3y plus 10 times 3y minus 1 equals to 0. So y equals to negative 10 over 3, or y equals to 1/3. Okay, notice in this equation we have solved is in terms of y. But remember, we are trying to solve for x. So 3 to the power of x is equals to negative 10 over 3 or 1/3. However, 3 raised to any power cannot be negative. So we reject the first answer. Okay, hence, in this case, x is equals to negative